my friends, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope everyone, I hope my friend always profit and always successful. Okay, now I show you live trading day 6. Live trading day 6, 25 March 2022, using best bots Forex for MT4 Wins Pro 369. You can get this bot on winsbots.com or wincraftfx.com. Okay, check this, my FBS. I'm trading on FBS Standard Account. Recommend you must set free swap. You can check this using Wins Pro 369. Trading on FBS. I'm trading GBP USD. You can set time frame 5 minutes or 1 hour. Trading USD CHF, trading Euro GPY, trading Australian USD, trading Gold 2, trading GBP GPY, trading USD CAD, Euro USD, USD GPY, Australian GPY, Euro GBP, and GBP New Zealand. For set file, you can check this on PDF file include on package this bot. Let's check how much profit a day. Okay, you can check this 25 March 2022. Trading bot place order sell for USD CHF and profit $24.52. Bot buy USD GPY and profit $12, and buy again Euro GPY, profit again. Sell USD CHF again and profit again. Buy USD GPY and profit again. Buy Euro GPY again and profit again. And buy gold. Buy 0.05 lots and profit. And buy again USD GPY and profit again. Check this. Bot made profit $91.20 a day. Nice. I like this bot. Let's check for all history. How much bot made profit in trading for 6 days. Many place order. Bot made many flash orders for trading. Check this. Many place order. Wow. You can check this profit 796.23 dollars for 6 days. Check this. Bot made profits $796.23 on 6 days. Oh, very good. Nice, very good. How you can get this? How you can get free this bot? Please visit us on winesclubfx.com. This is winesclubfx.com. You can check product on menu, and you can check this Wines Pro 369. This is Wines Pro 369. You can check this backtest. If you can want to buy this bots, you can get special price. But great news for you, you can get this bot for free. Only to step for free bots. 1. Please you be our partner. You can open standard account on FBS or IC market. 2. Please choose platform Trading MT4 and please enter IB number or ID partner. Here, if you can open FBS account, please using ID partner here, or you can or you can click this link for open account trading. The great news for you, please open account FBS on this link and you can get 100% bonus deposit. You can get 100% bonus deposit if you deposit $1,000 and you can get $1,000 too. So your deposit will be from $1,000 to be $2,000. It's great news for you. Activate your bonus here. Click this link. Look at this. You can get 100% deposit bonus. If you open your new account on FBS, click the link on my website. Okay, my friend, I think today enough. See you next day, and I will upload daily trading for 7 days. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum